operate this lever. This is the rotation. This is the sound. Tag, 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 tag. Then, if you operate this first boom, this kind of sound. This sound. This sound. If the control is already reached in the maximum, become strong sound. Example like this. This is already close. Should be the sound is in the relief valve, but no. This is the sound. All system my analyze is in the hydraulic pump. The problem this one is in the hydraulic pump. Hydraulic pump, banana style. What is the problem for this hydraulic pump? Is the system is vibration. They have some sound like metal sound during operation in the crane. The sound is same as tak 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 like that. Then if your crane encounter the sound like that, the problem is either this piston, the piston is lack of ring, piston ring. The piston ring is being damaged or nothing, no piston ring. Look, this piston ring is this piston is no have no ring, and they have also notice also here become shiny. This portion becomes shiny. This one becomes shiny, meaning long time had been no piston ring, because this one touching by here, by doing like that, because this operation for this piston is moving like that. Then if without piston ring, this one, the pressure is nothing, and also loss, very loss. The other one also small loss. That's why the sound is become big sound coming. This is the problem of the hydraulic system, become noise. One of the piston without ring, or the other one if this one also become broken, this part is become broken, sound also, you can encounter also the noise of the hydraulic system. Or this spring is broken, you can encounter also the noise of the system, abnormal sound like tak 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 tak, like that sound. I have some video for the kind of sound. The problem number 1, this piston ring. Number 2, this toser is broken. Number 3, this ring is broken. Then you can encounter the abnormal sound of this hydraulic system. This hydraulic pump is 350 bars and 60 liters being used here in this crane. This kind of crane, grab type, Atlas crane, model number 330.1.